Hi, I'm Marie. Today I'm going to show you how to make a green smoothie that has antiviral properties, is plant-based, and tastes great too. It's packed full of whole food plant-based ingredients to help cleanse and detoxify your system, help deter viruses from replicating, and boost your immunity in order to help fight off any potential invaders. I want you to listen closely to what I'm going to say. Viruses feed off of negative emotions like fear and worry. That's right. Viruses feed off of negative emotions like fear and worry. And what this actually means is that when you're in a state of fear or worry, the body releases specific hormones, biochemical substances, which viruses use as a food or a fuel in order to carry out the functions for which they're programmed. So it's important to cultivate a positive mindset. And meditation is an excellent way to help alleviate stress and get into a more positive state. And I'll be uploading a video soon on meditation for beginners. But for now, our focus is on this antiviral green smoothie recipe. So let's get to it. So we're going to start out with 4 ounces of aloe vera juice. So aloe vera stimulates immunity, improves digestion, and has antiviral properties. Next, we're going to add 4 ounces of vanilla soy milk, preferably unsweetened if you can find it. The vanilla helps balance out the flavor from all of the potent, healthy green foods that we'll be using in this recipe. You do not want to use a nut milk. Nuts contain high amounts of the amino acid arginine, which is a favorite food source for viruses. Soy milk, on the other hand, contains high amounts of the amino acid lysine. Lysine competes with arginine at the cell receptor site, thereby lessening the amount of arginine available for the viruses to feed off of. So we're also going to add a half a block of soft tofu as another good source of lysine, and also as a nice texturizer for our smoothie. So soy milk and tofu are both very good plant-based sources of the amino acid lysine, which is known to have antiviral properties due to its arginine blocking capabilities. Okay, so next I'm going to add the powdered ingredients. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of vitamin C powder. This equates to 2,500 milligrams in the brand that I'm using. Use the amount that you feel comfortable with. Vitamin C supports, enhances, and strengthens the immune system. As a side note, it's also a powerful antihistamine and works great for alleviating symptoms associated with common allergies. So moving on, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of chlorella. Chlorella is a microalgae similar to spirulina, and it's a very powerful heavy metal chelator. So basically it binds to heavy metals and carries them out of the body through the excretory system. Heavy metals are another favorite food source for viruses, and there's something that we pick up inadvertently from many sources in the environment. Now, if you don't have any spirulina or chlorella, don't worry, because we are going to be adding some other heavy metal chelating ingredients as well. Next, we're going to add about a handful or 1 cup of fresh parsley and about a handful or 1 cup of fresh cilantro. These are both also powerful heavy metal chelators, and they each act on different heavy metals, so it's a great combination. So next, we're going to add 1 medium to large green apple, cored and chopped. And apples assist with the cleansing of the liver, which we want to be running smoothly in order to filter out all of the toxins and baddies that we're flushing out of the system with all of these detoxifying and chelating ingredients. So next, we're going to add a large stalk of celery, roughly chopped. Celery is highly alkalizing and improves digestion, which is important to keep moving the products of detoxification out of the system. Celery's ability to alkalize and purify the blood helps create an environment that is unfavorable for viruses. Finally, we're going to add 1 large banana for a mild sweetness. Keep in mind that sugar, even in its natural form, can weaken the immune system by slowing down the white blood cells' ability to destroy invaders. So skip the heavy sweeteners and focus on all the wonderful benefits that all of these ingredients have to offer as we consume them in gratitude and positivity. So now we're going to go ahead and blend up all of these ingredients until smooth. Smells so good. Oh my goodness. And drink up to your health. Delicious. What other types of vegan recipe videos are you interested in seeing? Are you new to the plant-based lifestyle and have a question? Leave a comment for me in the comments section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more plant-based deliciousness. I look forward to seeing you again soon.